So this is about a Attwood heavy-duty battery tray that is made from plastic that we're going to use to mount a Group 2931 series battery. That battery you're going to find is about 13 inches in length. And when you open up the kit, it's going to give you a bottom tray. It's going to give you 2 hold-down rods to secure the battery. And you're going to have these really cool hand twist knobs on top. Again, this is all made from, I believe, ABS plastic. And the last piece will be a top piece to work as a clamp. So it does come with instructions and a package. And then what I'm going to show you today is how it actually all goes together. There'll be 2 of these nuts, and what you're going to see is they're going to insert into the bottom. They are a nylock style nut. And once you insert that in there, this rod thread is going to insert from the top and act as a stand to hold the battery in there. So we inserted the nylock from the bottom, and you can see the threads now. And I experimented, and it seems to work the best to have the nylock portion of the nut at the base. The rod will go in, and the bottom threads will lock into this nylon. I'm going to go ahead and use these 1¼ inch Torx style screws to fasten the tray down. I already got one in there, you can see that, and we have 3 holes. Do not use this hole, and so I'll do 2 on this side and then 2 on the back side. So just some small tips that may help you when you put the base in. What I did was I put the back hold down rod in before I put the battery in. You could probably do it you do both ways, but it seems to be easier. So I would hand thread it in, and then took some vice grips and I clamped on the non-threaded part of the rod and did a spin. And now I'm going to put the battery in and then do the front rod here. What may help you to drive this rod through is take a 5/16 bolt, and I stuck it as a stop into the knob, and that way I can use the hand knob to get the hold down rod to bury itself into the nylock. Just as an idea, you don't have to, but I didn't want to use vice grips and clamp on the threads, because then I could ruin my threads and this whole project would be for naught, and I got way too much time in this already. But I'm feeling like the rod is bottoming out, and that's a good sign. I want this to be secure. I don't want these batteries moving around if the boat hits some bad weather. So I'm pretty down, and I'm just going to take this little nut off here as my hold down. So now I will secure the hand knob and clamp these guys down. And when you notice that this top portion has a dimple here and a relief here, it's important to use the long edge, the clean edge, to not block the battery vent caps that could be on your battery. So just some small stuff. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this video. If you have any comments or tips, I'm always happy to reply back. Have a good day.